Hey guys, we received these cozy iced coffee cups with lids. They're 18 ounce, 4 pieces, drinking glasses with bamboo lids and glass straws. So let's just open the box and see the stuff. So it's aesthetic coffee bar accessories. So these have the coasters for the four, and then also this glass straws. So it's a complete set with these glass straws, the cleaning straw brushes. You can see like there are two brushes as well to clean up the straws and reusable. So you can also use it for your smoothies or any other thing. And you can see there's a bamboo lid on the top and the straw hole, so you can put in the straw. So this is a nice set, and then a nice material thing here. So I will say like it's a multi-purpose use and a versatile with a high grade material and also this thing. So there are the four straws, four bamboo lids, which sealed up the things, two brushes for cork coaster, and easy to sip and use. So around 5.8 inches in height and 3 inches in width, and then the brushes can be used to clean up the straws. So this is a natural bamboo top and for the perfect sealing with the seal, and there's a glass straws for easy cleaning and use. So it's perfect for your drinks. So you can put in any drink, whatever you want, and then serve without the fear to fall. And the glass thing are just too easy to use and carry. So you can use this brush to clean up the straws that goes easily and flexible. So you can reuse these straws for your later use. So just soap and water and use these straws. So very nice gift in a gift box if you want to give or by be used by yourself for your drinks and fun.